Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect until late this morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Mill Creek at Evendale. When? Until late this morning. Impacts. At 12 feet, land flooding of the Mill Creek floodplain occurs with water approaching some buildings along the creek. Additional details. At 11:45 p.m. Friday, the stage was 10.4 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early this morning to a crest of 12.5 feet early this morning. It will then fall below flood stage early this morning. Flood stage is 12 feet.